The Sangam Age. The Sangam Age refers to a significant period in the history of South India, specifically Tamil Nadu, during which the Tamil literature known as Sangam literature flourished. This era is believed to have spanned from around 300 BC to 300 CE. The term Sangam refers to the assemblies or academies of poets and scholars who gathered to promote and develop Tamil literature. During the Sangam age, 3 successive Tamil literary assemblies are said to have taken place, collectively known as the Sangam. These assemblies brought together poets and scholars who composed and contributed to the vast body of Tamil literature. The Sangam literature comprises poems and texts that provide valuable insights into the social, cultural, and political aspects of ancient Tamil society. Some notable features of the Sangam age and Sangam literature include poetic tradition. Sangam poets composed their works in Tamil, showcasing the richness and beauty of the language. They explored various themes, including love, war, nature, ethics, and governance. 5 epics. The Sangam literature includes 5 major epics known as the 5 great epics, Imperum Kappiyam. These epics are Silappatikaram, Manimekalai, Chilappatikaram, Valyapthi, and Kundalkesi. They provide detailed narratives of love, valor, and moral dilemmas. Classification of poems. Sangam literature categorized poems into 2 main groups, Ekam, love and personal experiences, and Puram, war and public affairs. These classifications allowed for a comprehensive exploration of human emotions and societal dynamics. Cultural descriptions. Poems and texts of Sangam literature provide valuable insights into the lifestyle, customs, traditions, and beliefs of the ancient Tamil society. They depict the social structure, roles of women, agricultural practices, trade, and religious practices of the time. Patronage and influences. Kings and rulers of various dynasties, such as the Cholas, Cheras, and Pandyas, patronized the poets and supported the growth of Tamil literature. The literary works also showcase influences from neighboring regions like Sri Lankan Mauryan Empire. Historical significance. Sangam literature serves as an important historical source for understanding the political history of South India during that period. It mentions the ruling dynasties, interregional conflicts, and interactions with other kingdoms.